Thanks for watching another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. Welcome back. This is my kitchen, and behind the camera is Michael. And today, guys, you know that we have made a lot of times cookies. We have made chocolate chip, oatmeal, snickerdoodles, organic cookies that I have made from scratch. But I always jump into these cookies at the supermarket, okay? So they were on sale, so Michael and I for $2, and we get 24 cookies. And they come in a block like this, you see? And you get them all ready, and they're triple chip cookies. So all you gotta do is break them and bake them. So that's what we're gonna do. I wanna break them with you guys. Let's break them, guys. And you put it on 350 for how long, Michael?
15 minutes.
Michael said 15 minutes.
That's
Double,
right.
triple check that. That it says exactly 15
Triple
minutes
check
there.
right there.
You know how it is, right?
I see it.
See
It's
it?
kind of like blurry a little bit.
Is it clear? Just leave it
There you go, right there. Yep.
You got it?
Yes.
All right.
I got it.
So we're gonna break the cookies, guys. And I know you've seen my old Mickey Mouse shirt that I have on that is like 5 million years.
I love the Mickey Mouse shirt.
It. It's so comfortable. And then inside the house, we always keep it nice and cool because it's like it's been in the 3 digits for the last like a week or so. It's been very hot and it's so humid. It's crazy. And it seems like we're gonna be getting rain on and off, you know. But when I'm in the house here, I keep it cold. So here I am today. I didn't feel like doing too much of anything. I'm gonna put it here because if we put them here, they're gonna breathe through these holes.
That's right.
See, you know what I'm saying? So I said, do we put 3 or 4, Michael?
4 at a time.
Okay. So we should put them, start from there, right?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then we skip one thing and we start in the other one like that, right? Because we're gonna need space.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Right? So like that, right? Like that, Michael? Is that good?
Perfect.
Okay, Michael. Michael's like, so we're gonna put as many cookies as my tray can carry, guys, here. But I wanna do, you know what I'm saying? It rolls up 4. And also, like, we're gonna skip one trail on every one. So this is the last one here that we're gonna make. See, 2, 3, and we're gonna put those cookie ends for 15 minutes. And if it needs another minute, we'll add it up together because you guys will be with me. And I'll be like, okay, we're just gonna add another minute for the cookies. So I'm gonna put them in. This is gonna be our dessert for today. Triple chip cookies. And I guess it's all chocolate. It's white chocolate, dark chocolate, and light chocolate.
For $2.
Yeah, for $2, guys. 24 cookies. I mean, this is what? This is only 12 of them, right? That we're gonna be, no, quad 16. This is 16 of them, and I still have 2, 4, 6, 8 cookies. So when these are done, these are going in. But I'm gonna put these in the fridge meanwhile, so they don't melt there, and these are going in. Let's put them in together. Right, Michael?
Very hot.
Like that. It's okay. When we pull them out, I'll pull the tray out. We take them out. They're gonna be delicious. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. Don't drink and drive. And let's try to bake these because you guys can find them in your supermarket. They're not gonna be like the same brand depending on where you live. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna go to your to your supermarket that you go all the time. You have like 2 or 3 basic supermarkets that everybody goes. You always have things on sale. Like every week they'll put every item, one thing of an item, they'll put it on sale. Like when it comes to cookies, they'll price one cookie down, right, Michael? Yes or no?
Oh yeah.
Because we bought yesterday, we bought some sandwich cookies for 99 cents, like the 20. What is it? 36 cookies, Michael?
Oh yeah.
And well, with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. We'll be back in how long, Michael? We haven't even
15
put the time.
minutes.
Come on. So let's put the time together here. And it's 15. So it was like a minute. So there you go. So we're gonna start it. We'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, thanks for coming back. 6, 5, 4, 3. Michael, 2, 1. Bam, bam. Again. Bam. I like that, guys. I don't know why. I know it's stupid, but you know. Oh wow! Look at the thing that came down from some of the cookies, huh? But we're good. Okay. So here we are, guys. I'm gonna put him there. And we'll be right back. We'll be right back. So we're back, and you guys saw me taking the cookies out. So here they are, the ones we baked. I was waiting for you guys to come back to the video so you can see what they came out. And the other ones, we got like 8 of them left. Right, Michael? Come here. I want Michael you to show them. I put them in the oven so they can see it's on 350. And through here, because I don't want to open it, I just put them in, but show them so people can see the rest of them that I put there. Okay, so I have the rest of the cookies. I'm finishing them up, and then these are the ones that we just bake. And I was waiting for you guys to come back. I put these like that so I can take one and taste. Look at all that chocolate. How delicious. Right across your eyes when you eat stuff like this. And just the chocolatey and the 3 different chocolates with the flour of the cookie and the baking of it, the warm, and you put it melts, kind of like the chocolate melts in your mouth, and it's just amazing. I don't like eating a lot of these because, you know, they can pack the pounds, guys. But they're delicious. If you have a family of 4, a family of 6, you can get 24 cookies for $2. Sometimes they even have them like lower than that. I actually bought biscuits today for 49 cents at the supermarket. For the big, flaky biscuits, the good ones. But these are amazing. So you guys can go ahead and try it. You can have like buy them and have your kids try them. You can bake them with them.
Triple
let them do
chip.
it. They don't even have to stir anything. All you gotta do is take, break, and bake. And delicious cookie like this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or follow us on everywhere that we are, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, of course, and then Pinterest. And then if you want to donate $1, $5, $100, you can go to the link right below, which is Patreon, and you can go ahead and donate $1, $5, $10, whatever you want. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Go ahead and try to get your cookies at your nearest supermarket or bodega, wherever you live, and bake them, and they'll be delicious like that. So I'm going to finish this one. Love you all. Don't drink and drive, and let's eat cookies. Thanks for watching.